Let's get started. So in this video, we will talk about how we can install SSL and TLS certificate in cPanel or in ServerByt. So I have already logged in my ServerByt account, and from right side, simply click on login to control panel. It will take us to our control panel. And from right side, we can scroll this down. Under security, we can find SSL/TLS. We simply click on this. This will redirect us to a page where we can activate our SSL. These domains are not added in ServerByt. That's why we do not have option to activate SSL. This one, we can activate free SSL. So click on activate free SSL. This is wildcard SSL certificate. So this will cover all domain and subdomains for this particular domain. So this is already activated. This might take a minute. Let me refresh this page. So if you see, this is activated and we can simply turn this on. So this will help user to use HTTPS while they are accessing our website. Let's try to use this website in the browser. It's still not updated. It might take some time. If we see here, it says that this might take up to 30 minutes. So we'll have to wait for some time, and once this is done, I will reconfirm. Meanwhile, let's talk about other option. So by any chance, if you have purchased SSL from other sources, so we can perform that task from here. So if we have any external SSL certificate, we can install it from here. We can choose our domain, then certificate details and certificate key and other information like CA bundle intermediate certificate, and then install SSL certificate. So once you install it, give it some time. It might take 30 minutes to an hour, and once it is done, you can verify. Now see, there was a not secure option. If you see, not secure option is gone, and this is with HTTPS. So now our website is secure. That's it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.